Everybody, what's up and welcome to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to add an Instagram feed to your Wix website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy to do and you'll have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, go ahead to the official Wix.com website and log into your account. After doing that, guys, you want to open up the dashboard of the website where you want to add a feed. So we want to add our website into edit mode. So we're going to click this button in the upper right corner called edit site. So go ahead and click on that button right there. And as you can see here, guys, now this will open up our website in editorial mode in a new tab. You guys know you're in edit mode by all the options on the left side of the screen that enable you to edit your website. So yeah, guys, how do you add an Instagram feed? Well, you're gonna do the following. You want to go into this option right here called Add Apps, which is in the middle of the options. So go ahead and click on that button right there. And now you will want to go ahead and click this search option right here and type in Instagram. And after that, guys, now go ahead, click enter, and this will search for Instagram. And as you can see, the second option right here is called Instagram feed. So guys, go ahead and click on that right there. And as you can see, I have already edited one, so I'm going to edit again to show you guys how. Go ahead and click on the button that says add, the big blue button. And now guys, clicking on that, you'll see this adds a preview of how your feed will look to your site. So you can go ahead and resize this if you want, or put it wherever you want, on whatever page you want. So as you can see, it will look like this. You can scroll down a bit, you can see it will give this button right here, load more, and so on and so on. So guys, if you want for this to show your feed, then you're going to have to connect your Instagram account. And you're going to do that by clicking on this once again, left click on this feed right here and click on settings, this pop up. So clicking on settings, guys, now you see you will get the option on the left side of the screen to connect your personal or business account to this feed. So go ahead, guys, click on this and log into your account, and after that this feed preview will be replaced with the feed of your own Instagram account. So go ahead, place it where you want, and you're done. So yeah, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.